Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Spooky Halloween. This video is actually a bit sad because this is going to be my last Halloween video that I'm doing for this year because Christmas is coming up and Halloween was the other day. And the last video of Halloween that I'm doing today is the asda doorbell. I forgot to show you this, but I'm going to show you it today because this is the last thing I haven't shown you. And yeah, this is going to be the last video of Halloween. There'll be Christmas coming up soon. Sorry if you can hear the background. I think it's my dog. Yeah, so... Oh, and as well, I am changing my channel name soon, but I can't change it just yet because it's saying now I've changed my name too recently, so I've got to wait until I can change my name. I can change my picture right now, but I'll change my name soon. So, yeah, this is the last Halloween video. And, yeah, here we go. Don't know why it makes that weird noise at the end, and for some reason it comes out on this camera like white, but it's actually green. No, it still comes out white. Oh. I'm shining in the dark now. Hold on. Hold on, let me put it down quickly because I can't do this. There we go. Right. So you can't see it right now, but let me quickly just do it. Yeah, there we go, sorry for the background. Yeah, so, yeah, this is quite a sad video, but at least Christmas is coming up, so it's going to be still Christmas videos. I'm still thinking of what I can do yet, just in, like, when Christmas and that is all gone, like, I'll think of something to do. Yeah, so, that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Spooky Halloween.